Hey guys, it is me, Stace. I am back again today with another Cricut Explore video. We are also doing our Make It Now Monday project, and today's project is super fun, and it's a dad card. We're using the Cricut marker tool for the outside and also the inside. It also comes with an envelope. Let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alrighty, at the computer you want to go to design.cricut.com. You will see this screen. Enter in your email and your password. Click on Sign In. When you see your name at the very top, that verifies that you were logged in. On this page, you want to go all the way down until you come across Cricut Access. Then click on View All. In the upper right-hand corner where it says Cricut Access, click on that and then go down and click on Cards. In the search box, we're going to type in the word Dad and click on Enter. And the card we are making is this one here. It is called the Multiple Mustache Card. Click on that. It'll bring up a preview. Click on Customize. Alright, so we have our card, the envelope. I'm going to grab the envelope and move that out of my way. So we have the card base here, the word Dad, and this piece for the front. What I want to do first is grab this piece. I'm going to right click on that and choose Duplicate. And put one of them back over there. On this one, I want to make this one for the inside of the card. So I'm going to right click on this one and choose Detach. And move the white piece out of the way. And this one here, I don't want all these mustaches. So have this piece selected, bottom right hand corner of Design Space, click on Contour. This screen will pop up. I'm going to click on Hide All Contours, then go back in and click on the bottom right hand mustache and also the card base. And close that out. So now we just have this piece with the mustache. Bring this white piece back over. I'm going to right click on the piece with the mustache and choose Move to Front. Take my mouse across both pieces. Upper toolbar, I'm going to click on Align and then click on Center. Now I do want to add text to this one. Left hand side toolbar, click on the text tool, and I'm going to type in, "You are stash-tastic." Right now I do want to change the font, so I have the font selected. I'm going to click on the font here. On the filter, I'm going to go down and choose Writing. Now what I want to use is called Babel, I think. So I'm going to type in B-A-B or Babette. I'm going to click on that one. And you'll see the font change here. I'm going to go ahead and click on it and make it smaller. Then bring this over on that card. Just make it how you like it. All right, I think that looks, I'm going to move it over a little bit. Maybe a little bit smaller. Just play with it until it's how you like it to be. Right, so I think that looks pretty good. When you're happy with all that, take your mouse across all the pieces. Bottom right hand toolbar, click on Attach. That's going to attach everything to that. All right, now lastly, I'm going to grab the word Dad and right click on that one and choose Duplicate and duplicate again. So now we have 3 layers of that. Upper right hand toolbar, I'm going to click on Make It. So we have the piece for the envelope, the white piece for the outside as well as the inside, and the piece for the card and the word Dad. I'm going to click on Continue, cut these out, go to the table, and put our card together. Alright guys, we are back with all of our pieces. I'm first going to work on the envelope. I'm going to finger press on the square marks first to kind of get them started. And take my bone folder. This is a really simple card. Alright, I'm going to take this, I'm going to put glue on this bottom piece, and I'm just using art glitter glue. I get it from May Made It. Just bring one of these pieces over like that. I want to put glue on the outer edge of this one. I'm going to bring that piece over. And just give all that a rub, make sure it all sticks. Okay, so now we have our envelope. It's all done. We can set that aside. Let's grab the card base, crease on that score mark. And now we have our 2 pieces. So I'm going to grab this piece here for the front. You know, another idea, your little one, they can color in whatever part matches Dad. Like they're, if your dad has a mustache, they can color it in whatever mustache he has. Do the inside piece, isn't that cute? This is not an A2 size card. It's a little bit larger than that. Let me see how big it is. It is about 6.5 by 4. All right, so now we have the word dad. Now if you want to, you can just do the one layer if you want to, but I thought we can glue 3 layers together to make it be a little bit thicker. Just for a little bit more dimension. Okay, so there's one. Okay, so there's our 1D. Let's do our A. And then in addition to having the 3 layers here, we're also going to pop it up some. They can, you can do Dad's favorite color. Okay, so all of those are done. I'm done with my glue. Let me put the pin back in that one. All right, now I'm going to grab these small foam squares, flip these all over. I'm going to put 3 on each one. All right, our last 2 right here. Give all those a squish. And bring our card over. Now you can have it go. You can do a roller, have it go straight across, or you can kind of do it off the side. I think this one I'm going to do differently, and maybe go like that. Kind of like it being crooked. So again, you can color in whatever mustache Dad has. If it's on this side, then you would put your words on the other side. All right, so put that one there. Sometimes it's easier just to put things on crooked. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, so there we have it. So we have the crooked one and the semi-crooked one. A super cute card, right? And let's grab our envelope. I'm going to put the dimension side on the outside. You can also make the card be white, but I liked it all being one color. And there you have it. Really simple card to give to Dad this coming Sunday. All right, guys, any questions, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.